Ogbefi.
Malanchew.
I can't breathe. Ogbefi. Ogbefi, I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Will you stand up for that place? Which can be I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Eh?
Ogbefi. So I never hear them say I can't breathe. Is that happen for America? I for America I can't breathe. It don't happen for coronavirus. For America I can't breathe. No social distance. Now people say except they touch me like this. They touch me. They touch me.
Do you want to remove my shoulder? Eh? Which time I can't breathe? I can't breathe. You know say I can't breathe. Now the black man away police kill for there. Eh? I make everybody come out to come they protest. Say I can't breathe. That guy way big, way like Nandi, my brother. What they keep for America?
I thought this one it will help us come back. Because if I come, I press your neck now, you can't die like that man for America. It will help everybody. It will come outside. So press your neck like this. It will help you. It will help like this.
Oh yeah, my friend, get out here. Eh? You come here to come and kill me. Eh? Get out of this place.
So I can't breathe.
My friend,
I see your brother in MD. Your brother in MD, I see him for Oshodi. He carry for wine for here. He carry for Bobika for here. He carry milk for here. He carry sugar for here. He carry.
You are insulting my brother Nandi on America. Eh? Nandi that I've been doing well.
So make I tell you, make I tell you. If na Nnamdi dey for America, I carry to. Let me say Nnamdi, I dey hungry for America because I see your brother. I hungry dey become that for America because the Agbero for America and the Agbero for Nigeria, it don't be the same.
Get out of my house now.
I can't breathe, wallahi.
I can't breathe Bukuogi there.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe Bukuogi
I can't breathe.
there.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.